the judiciary of South Africa, from the Chief Justice at the top down to the District Court judicial officers in Eshowe, Nongoma, Thohoyandou, Nkanduli, or wherever, will not be intimidated by anybody, no matter his or her position in society, into giving judgments that do not accord with the Constitution, the law, and the evidence in a particular case.
As judges matter, we are impressed to see that the judiciary was able to meet some really high targets, to hear that the Supreme Court of Appeal exceeded its target of 80% in terms of finalizing cases. We are generally impressed with the numbers that we see in terms of how many cases have been finalized, the performance of the judiciary as a whole.